Hello students, welcome for the PPT PowerPoint presentation of political science. Previously we started with the first unit, Origin and Growth of Indian Political System. Today's topic is Interim Government of India. Previously we seen the Indian Independence Act. So on the basis of that, the interim government was formed on 2nd September 1946. Here we can see that the Constituent Assembly had 389 members and it was drawn from the new Constituent Assembly of India, and its main task was to framing the constitution. This Constituent Assembly was remain until the 15th August 1947 when India became the independent. It was responsible for the framing the constitution and making ordinary laws. Both responsibilities were given to the Constituent Assembly, and its chairman was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, whereas B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Next, the Viceroy's Executive Council was transferred into the Council of Ministers. It served as the executive branch of interim government, and the Vice President of Council was the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Let's see other prominent members of this council. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru being as a Prime Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the Home Minister as well as Deputy Prime Minister. B.R. Ambedkar was served as a Law Minister. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the Education Minister. C.H. Bhabha was Commerce Minister. N.V. Gadge, Mine and Power Minister. Rajkumar Amrit Kaur was a Health Minister. Rafi Ahmed Kidwai was the Communication Minister. John Mathai was Railway and Transport. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee was Industry Minister, whereas Jagjivan Ram was the Labour Minister. These all ministers served for the interim government and they remain until the independence. Although the British India remained under the sovereignty of British till the 1947, the interim government had processed to establish diplomatic relationship with other countries including United States. Independent India accepted the constitution on 26 November 1949, whereas it was forced from the 26 January 1950. And as per this Interim Government Act, the first general election were conducted in India from the October 1951 to February 1952. About the general election, we'll see in the next power presentation. Thank you.